The gloves are coming off. They're going down. The gloves. We're in the garage and it's the start of the new build series. Can't wait. Seriously, can't wait. Busa's here. Good old Busa. It needs a bit of work though after Grizz dropped it on the floor. Thankfully, not too much damage, but I'm going to push on and get this bad boy fully sorted. If you've not seen any videos on it before, it's a 2008 Hayabusa GSX 1340R. It's the different shape one with the funny tail, which some people aren't very keen on, but Grizz loves it. Grizz is happy with it. It does need some work just to make it a bit safer. The brakes are a bit weak. It's a bit too quiet, and I don't like the big bulky standard exhausts. They're just huge. So I want those to go. It's also going to make the bike quite a bit lighter. Talking of lighter, I had contacted GB Moto in the UK, which is a distributor. Try saying that when you're drunk. A distributor for carbon fibre parts, and they have kindly kitted Grizz out with some carbon fibre bits. It's not everything. I would like to do everything in carbon, but this is a pretty good start. Let's have a look at these bits. Hold on. Get a load of this. Carbon fibre tail. Yeah, baby. Pure carbon. Yeah. There is also going to be, there's also a carbon fibre front end and these infill panels. That's all I've got at the moment. Sadly, there was a little bit of damage on this one. That bit there. Can you see that? Grizz is rubbish with the camera. But I'm going to have a go at fixing that. Barry did say, send it straight back to me. I'll get another one out to you. But in the name of Grizz always trying to do things without messing people around, and what he ends up doing is really actually messing himself around. But Barry was actually very, very good and said, send it straight back, Grizz. I'll get you another one out. I said, no, let me have a go and see if I can repair it, because this is all he was going to do. And he said, by all means, please do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at doing that. So I'll make that another part of the series where I try and polish out all the scratches, and you'll see that process. So, you know, it's not a bad thing to learn. You know, if you've got scratches on your bodywork, it's not a bad thing to learn. So Grizz is going to have a go. Maybe we can learn some things together. It's been a while since I've done any carbon fibre polishing, but I have made some carbon fibre parts in the past. It came out pretty good. So, yeah, there's a load more parts here, guys. Take a look at all these bits. Let's have a look. It's got loads of them. Smash and greet. Right, let me show you the bike as well. Hold on. Right, so Grizz has been busy, made some room in the garage. I've got some workspace now. I can actually get this bad boy apart and have a bit of room either side. Lots of things going on actually in the background all the time. If any of you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, take a look on there. I've got new tyres on the back and the front of the Ducati. Some lovely Power Cup 2 tyres. I'll put a little video up. Chuck that little video. Grizz, chuck that video of the bit you recorded with the new tyres and the little kind of clippy bit of walking around the 916. People might like to see that. So yeah, lovely Michelin Power Cup 2 tyres on the 916. I've not had a chance to do anything with the clutch slave yet, but I have got a replacement, but I've yet to fit it. It's Taffy's bike there, looking lovely. Carbon fibre. Carbon fibre. So yeah, loads of carbon fibre going on the bike. Let's look at the other bits and pieces though. Look at the size of these exhausts. Look, also. Look, this is just too much for Grizz to handle. This doesn't actually give a full perspective of how big this bike is, but it's flipping huge. And these exhausts, they're annoying me because I keep hitting things with them and stuff. So yeah, and also I had full Akaprovic exhaust on my previous one, and Grizz has done it again. Yeah, I got Akaprovic exhaust system and can. Now I picked this up cheap. It needs some work, okay? Bear with me, guys. I know it's not looking good. So this has got a bit of damage on it here and yay. To find an exhaust system for the Hayabusa was like really difficult to find one, but I found one, but sadly it's got a bit of damage, but it wasn't a crazy price. So I'm going to have a go at kind of making this one a bit better, and I'll see how I go with it. Maybe I can fix it up. I bought some bands and some rivets so I can maybe fix this one. We'll see how successful I am with that. But as it is, I could fix that one up and use it, but I'm aware it's not really the best looking. But the downpipes are 100% straight. They're ready to go and good. This crease is the crease which goes on the exhaust system because it sits right next to the swing arm, so that is not an actual dent or anything. We've got other bits and pieces, servicing bits and pieces, some exhaust gaskets, some more springs. I got an exhaust strap as well to go on. That is the wet and dry, which I'm going to use for cleaning up and fixing all those scratches on the carbon fibre. Really looking forward to sharing the rest of the carbon fibre bits with you. RNG, no, not RNG this time. No more RNG. These are gills, I don't know how you pronounce it, but anyway, footrests, and they're going to look rather swish. This one, again, I picked these up cheap. These are like £500 new. I didn't even pay half that, thankfully. Hold on a sec. Oh, just had a sneeze. Right, I'm going to clean this carbon fibre up as well again and get that nice and polished. So hopefully it will look a bit like this other one. But they're going to look rather swish. And I really enjoyed having the RNG footrests, which were up there. I've still got two. No, those are sold. That's just the box. I've been really busy, guys. I've been buying all these bits and pieces, but I've also been selling off a lot of the previous bits. I've got so much to do. There's the BMW Scrambler just over there. That I've got to, I'm not sure yet. I'm either going to break it down and sell it off in bits, or I'll sell it complete. Sorry for the shaky footage. Hold on a sec. So this is Amateur Hour, basically, by Grizz. I'm just trying to do this video. I'll use just using my phone today, so we'll see how that goes. We've got oil, fresh oil filter, spark plugs, iridium plugs. I picked up a used K&N air filter. I was going to buy a new one, but it was too good a price to say no. So that's going to go on. So that's all the kind of servicing bits and pieces sorted. Finger again. I got some links, which is basically going to lift up the back end of this bike and make it just a little bit quicker on the steering. I did it on my previous one and it was a great thing to do, so I'm doing that again. So some links to higher the back end, some brake lines which will go on the front, which will hopefully increase the braking power. I've also got a power commander. it never ends. I got a Power Commander. I bought this Power Commander like cheap as chips. I had to ship it from America, but it was so cheap. I couldn't say no to that. I know it's not the newer one. It's a 3. Oh my god, finger in there. Sorry, I had to remove a finger. It was just like too much. Yeah, so Power Commander. It's a Power Commander 3, not a Power Commander 5, but it will do all I need to from a standpoint of tuning up the bike. I've also got one of these little bad boys, a decibel reader, because what I want to do is give you a bit of a before and after comparison sound wise, to see what this bad boy is kind of kicking out now and what it'll be kind of kicking out after. I strongly suspect it's going to be very loud. So yeah, I think that kind of covers it. K&N air filter as well. Also, it's a bit secondhand, but it does need. The great thing about the K&N filter is you can buy them in confidence, because as long as there's not too much damage on them, this one is pretty good. I had spotted a few little bits, but nothing terrible. Sorry if this picture is a bit grainy, but anyway, got some oil, well, some cleaner and oil so I can re-oil it. So that is the filter kind of ready to go. I'll be doing that as well at some point. But first things first, I need to strip this flipping thing down and get all the bodywork off it and get this exhaust on. That's the first thing I want to do. Hold on. So a lot of stuff going on, guys, or a lot of stuff to do in this series, this mod series. Grizz, health-wise, some good news. I had an MRI head scan and some tests on my head because I've been having all sorts of problems, but that's all come back clear. It's not fixed my problem though, but at least I haven't got any kind of strange things going on in my head, so that's all good. But as a side note also, I am still struggling a bit with energy, and yeah, it's energy really. So yeah, this might be a little bit of a slow series, I'm not sure. I have got a holiday coming up as well. A holiday coming up was a bit much, wasn't it? I've got a holiday coming up. So, but I will be trying to get these videos out on a regular basis. But yeah, bear with me, guys. I'm doing my best under the circumstances, and I'm trying hard to get better all the time. So stick with me, bear with me. It's going to be fun anyway. That's enough about health and all that stuff. Just going to crack on, work on this bike, see if we can get it back up into some kind of, is in good condition already, actually, to be honest with you. Grizz is being a bit picky. The bike is very good, it rides well, the brakes are appalling, mind you, but on from that, the bike pulls lovely, it's nice and smooth, it's lovely, it's a really nice bike to ride. But Grizz being Grizz wants to put his own mark on it. I'd love to absolutely cover this bike in carbon fibre, but it is very expensive stuff, and I'll see how I get on from a standpoint of maybe being able to get some more, plead with a few other sellers, or maybe even Barry will help me out some more at GB Moto. Check Barry out, by the way, guys, over at GB Moto. He also does Motocross Parts as well. I will put up a link in the section below, so check the section below on this video, and I'll put some links for Barry's website. A massive thank you to Barry for the carbon fibre parts. Super excited to get them on, and super excited to get all these other bits and pieces on. It's going to be cool. Let's transform the Hayabusa from a bit of a kind of, I don't know if you could really call Hayabusa like a meek, mild, quiet thing, but it's going to get noisy, and yeah, it's going to get a bit more cooler again. So I'm super excited. Enough talking. Thanks for watching, everyone. Smash the smash the hell out of the like button, please. If you could all do that, it would make my day, okay? Just keep hitting the thumbs up on the videos, thumbs down even, just hit them, hit the thumbs please. Alright, I've talked enough rubbish. Thanks for watching everyone, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.